in trading is not made when you buy and sell again and again. The big money is made when you hold on to the position for a long time, and that's something called as positional trades, or we call it trend following. Now, to talk about the trend following methods and how to become a pro trader, we are coming up with a 2-day program called Pro Trader Secrets. I'm going to share one of my super powerful, simple strategy which does not require any time. You just have to spend 15 minutes or half an hour in a day to trade that, and just put your orders and you can go back to your work, you can go back to your business or whatever job you're doing, and you can create a parallel source of income out of this. This is a completely free event. It's a 2-day event happening on 21st and 22nd of August. And you just have to sign up right now. Along with that, I'm going to give you a free course called Stock Trading Secrets and Basics of Futures and Options. That means you are started with the basics of technical analysis, what are trend lines and moving average and RSI and all that. And also what are futures, what are options, all that will be given to you immediately. And you can attend this program on 21st and 22nd of August live. And this will be where I'm going to share my strategy about trend following, and you can start trading that right from the next day. So you have nothing to lose. Just click on the link below and check out Pro Trader Secrets program. Thank you so much. Good luck and good trading.